If you live in Redmond, you know the Pacific Northwest beauty comes with one defining feature: rain. With long, damp winters and cool, drizzly springs, moisture and fluctuating temperatures can take a toll on your home's comfort and efficiency. Over time, older windows become one of the biggest culprits for heat loss, drafts, and rising energy bills. That's why so many Redmond homeowners are upgrading to replacement windows designed to withstand the region's wet weather while keeping indoor spaces warm, dry, and efficient. Here's how new, energy-efficient windows can make a big difference during Redmond's rainy seasons and all year long. Sealing out moisture and preventing drafts. Old or poorly installed windows often develop small gaps, cracks, or deteriorated seals that allow moist air to seep inside. During Redmond's rainy months, this leads to drafts, water condensation, and even mold or frame damage. Modern replacement windows are engineered to eliminate these issues. They feature precision-fitted frames, advanced weather stripping, and insulated glass seals that create an airtight barrier between your home and the outdoors. This tight seal prevents cool air and moisture from sneaking in while keeping your indoor warmth from escaping. As a result, your heating system doesn't have to work as hard, saving you energy and improving comfort no matter how damp it gets outside. Superior insulation for cold, wet weather. Energy-efficient replacement windows are built with multiple panes of glass and gas-filled insulation layers, typically argon or krypton gas, that act as barriers to temperature transfer. In Redmond's cool and rainy climate, this means heat stays inside your home during winter and chilly spring mornings. The insulated glass also reduces condensation buildup, a common issue in humid conditions, helping protect your window frames and surrounding walls from moisture-related damage. Some models also include low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat back into your home, making it easier to maintain a comfortable temperature without running your heater around the clock. Protecting against excess humidity and mold. Constant rain means higher indoor humidity, and older windows often trap that moisture, leading to foggy glass, mildew, and even wood rot. Replacement windows combat this problem with moisture-resistant frames made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite. These materials don't absorb water, warp, or crack, even after years of exposure to Redmond's damp air. By keeping moisture out and maintaining proper insulation, replacement windows help create a healthier, drier indoor environment, free from mold growth and musty odors. Reducing energy bills year-round. Even though Redmond's temperatures are moderate, the combination of rain, clouds, and wind means you rely heavily on heating during much of the year. Inefficient windows can make your HVAC system work harder to maintain warmth, leading to higher energy bills. High-performance replacement windows are ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring they meet strict efficiency standards. By minimizing heat loss and air leakage, these windows can cut your home's energy consumption by up to 20 to 30%, a noticeable difference in long-term savings. Over time, the energy savings alone often offset the initial installation cost, making replacement windows a smart, sustainable investment for Redmond homeowners. Enhancing comfort and quiet in every season. Energy-efficient replacement windows do more than improve insulation, they also create a quieter, more peaceful home. Their multi-pane construction helps block outside noise from rain, traffic, or wind, a welcome benefit during stormy nights in Redmond. The result is a cozy, tranquil living environment where you can relax in warmth and quiet while the weather stays outside where it belongs. Boosting home value and resilience. In Redmond's real estate market, energy-efficient upgrades are a strong selling point. Prospective buyers appreciate homes with modern replacement windows because they signal lower utility costs, improved comfort, and better protection from moisture and drafts. Additionally, today's replacement windows are built to last, resisting corrosion, leaks, and wear even after years of exposure to rain. Their sleek, modern designs also boost curb appeal, giving your home a fresh, updated look. A smart upgrade for Redmond homeowners. With Redmond's long rainy seasons, replacing old windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, reduce energy waste, and protect your home from moisture damage. By investing in high-quality replacement windows installed by a trusted local professional, you'll enjoy a warmer, quieter, and more efficient home, rain or shine. It's a simple upgrade that pays off every day, keeping your family comfortable and your energy bills low throughout every season in Redmond.